How to underline text in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your device and search Underline Text Generator. Click on Yay Text Unicode Underline, which is the first option, and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll down, and in your text option, simply type in what you want to send in WhatsApp. After you have done that, at the bottom you will find different underlined options. Click on one, copy. Copies on the right side. After you have copied, open WhatsApp on your device. Click on the text, and then at the bottom, simply paste it. Paste what you have copied earlier and send it, and you will find underlined text. And this is how to underline text in WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.